Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by adding jQuery to your ASB. Any Core Mvc project using libman or npm. Choose jQuery version 3, 6, 0 and restore files into wwroot or node modules for static delivery. Open views/shared/layout. CSHTML and reference the jQuery script tag before other scripts for predictable loading order. Prefer serving jQuery from a CDN with a local fallback to improve load performance and reliability. Run .NET build and verify wwroot contains the jQuery files and that your layout renders script links correctly. Always place the jQuery script reference above your custom JavaScript files to prevent undefined jQuery errors when scripts execute. Wrap DOM code inside. Ready or so your handlers run after elements are available and avoid timing bugs. For server interactions, use $AJAX with content type and data type settings matched to JSON or form values. Include the anti-forgery token value from the form or meta tag with each AJAX request to validate server posts and prevent CSRF rejection. For production, prefer the CDN version of jQuery with a local fallback to speed initial load times and to handle outage scenarios gracefully. Avoid adding heavy jQuery plugins when native DOM APIs or small utilities can accomplish the same tasks with less overhead. Use unobtrusive validation with DataVal attributes and jQuery validate only when necessary to reduce duplicate logic. Defer or async non-critical scripts and bundle when appropriate so pages render faster and client responsiveness improve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.